Welcome to our flipped learning for English this week. This week in English, we will be reading the story Night Monkey, Day Monkey. We will be sequencing the story and writing sentences about the pictures from the book. You will need the following resources to complete the activities in this video. You will need a pencil and paper or a whiteboard and marker. Please pause the video while you get these things. Let's recap. When we are writing sentences, we need to remember to use the following things. We need to use capital letters at the beginning of our sentence, finger spaces between our words, and full stops at the end of our sentences. We need to make sure that our letters are facing the right way, that our writing is neat and tidy, and that our sentence makes sense. We can read back over our sentence to make sure it makes sense. And finally, we need to make sure that we write on the line. Let's look at this picture. What can you see? We are going to write a sentence about what the girl is doing. There are lots of different ways you can say what you can see. You could say, I can see a girl with a spade. Or, I can see a girl playing in the sand. Or, I can see a happy girl. What is she doing? Can you say what the lady is doing in a full sentence? Can we write down what the lady is doing in a full sentence? Let's work together. Let's remember what a sentence needs. So below is a full sentence. Can you tell me why? The lady is shopping for food. It is a good sentence because it starts with a capital letter, it has finger spaces between each word, and it ends with a full stop. It also makes sense when you read it. Can we write a sentence? Can you say what the boy is doing in a full sentence? Write down what the boy is doing in a full sentence. Remember what a sentence needs to have. You can pause the video while you write your sentence down. So we could say, the boy is riding his bike. We could even make our sentence better and improve it by saying, the boy is riding a green bike. So we could include an adjective or a describing word to make our sentence more interesting. Let's look at the next picture. Can you write a sentence for it? The girl is getting off the bus. Let's look at the next picture. Can you say what the boy is doing in a full sentence? The boy swims in the pool. We could improve our sentence by adding an adjective. The boy is swimming in the big pool. Now you try. Can you finish off these sentences? The boy. Pause the video while you finish the sentence. You could say, the boy is building a snowman. Let's look at the next picture. In the shed, pause the video while you write your sentence. You could say, in the shed, I can see lots of different tools. Look at the next picture. Ben. Pause the video while you finish your sentence. Ben fell off his skateboard. The teddy. The teddy is in the box of toys. Can you think of a sentence for the next picture? Hassan and Megan. Pause the video while you write your sentence. That's right, you could say, Hassan and Megan are playing ball at the beach. Can you finish this sentence? Fluffy the hamster. Pause the video while you write your sentence. Make sure you remember to include a capital letter, finger spaces, and a full stop. That's right, you could say Fluffy the hamster is in his cage. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed writing lots of sentences.